Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel Brightway. Today we will talk about something crucial that can potentially save lives. Safety measures during extreme weather conditions. With our climate's unpredictable nature, we must all understand how to keep ourselves and our loved ones safe. Understanding the threat. Firstly, knowing the risks associated with extreme weather conditions is important. Every extreme weather condition brings unique challenges, whether it's a cyclone, heat wave, or severe cold. Understanding these can help us prepare better. For instance, during a cyclone, we must secure loose objects outside that can become dangerous projectiles. Preparing for the unforeseen. Next, always have a plan and an emergency kit ready. Your plan should include a safe place to shelter and a method to communicate with family members if you're not together. Your emergency kit should include first aid supplies, enough food and water for several days, and important documents. Staying informed. Staying updated is key. Always have more than one way to receive updates and warnings. This could be through weather apps, news outlets, or radio channels. Acting fast. When a warning is issued, act fast. Don't wait until the last minute to start preparing. The more time you have, the better you can protect yourself and your home. Islamic perspective. In Islamic teachings, we are guided to seek protection and safety from Allah in times of difficulty. The Holy Quran says, "And whoever fears Allah, He will make for him a way out and will provide for him from where he does not expect." In times of severe weather conditions, Muslims are encouraged to turn to Allah for protection, to recite the dua for seeking protection, and to help those in need. Remember, no one can predict the weather with 100% accuracy, but we can always be prepared. So, let's equip ourselves with knowledge and share it with our loved ones. Stay safe, and remember to help those in need during these tough times. Thank you for watching, and remember to subscribe to our channel for more helpful and informative content.